Hi, I'm Mike from Mike Taylor Education. Today I'm going to go through the basics. This is the first lesson of cutting when you get into barbering or hairdressing. The scissors needs to be in your fourth finger and thumb. Just moving your thumb to the fourth finger. This is something that will take a long time and a lot of muscle memory. So just carry on practicing this. Like I say, just using your thumb to your fourth finger. Now I'd like you to hold and palm. What I'd like you to do is have the comb and the scissors in one hand. Gently place the comb into your other hands, then make a cut with the scissors. It's getting used to holding the comb and the scissors in one hand that is so important. A lot of people, when they start learning barbering or hairdressing, they put the comb down when they go to make a cut. This is not correct. You need to be able to hold the comb and the scissors in one hand and then be able to release the comb to the other hand. Using the comb with the teeth furthest apart, take your section and then switch the comb to using the teeth that are closest together to pull the hair up. And getting the correct tension, hold the hair, then switch the comb into the other hand and then pretend to cut the hair, making sure that your fingers are positioned correctly in the scissors. Scissor over comb is so hard to master, and the best way to master this is continual practice. I can't say enough how many hours and hours and days need to go into practicing your scissor over comb. But a great way to start is to work up and down a door frame, holding your comb in one hand and your scissors in the other, and just practice going up and down and getting that dexterity in your hands. Clipper over comb, the same as scissor over comb. Practice this again on a door frame using a clipper comb and a pair of clippers, and making sure you holding the clippers nice and strong at the neck of the clipper, and then slowly going up and down and have that twist with the comb. Get used to combing the hair back down.